You know the feeling, right? The AC dies on the hottest day of the year, or you walk into the conference room right before a huge client meeting and it's a mess. These things feel like small annoyances, but really, they're symptoms of a much bigger issue. So today, we're going to pull back the curtain on facility management and see how a single all-in-one solution can take your physical workspace from being a constant headache to one of your most powerful assets.
So, I want you to really think about this for a second. Is your building an active member of your team, or is it working against you? Because it's not just four walls and a roof, it's a player in your company's success. It can either be boosting your team's productivity or just constantly draining your time, your money, and your focus.
All right, let's talk about those drains. For most businesses, managing a building isn't just one big, obvious problem. No, it's more like 100 little ones that just keep piling up, creating this massive challenge that's always humming just beneath the surface of your everyday work.
And here's what that looks like. It's basically death by 1,000 cuts, right? The Wi-Fi goes down. The bathroom is a mess. Your office manager is spending an hour trying to find a plumber instead of, doing their actual job. Each one of these things seems small in the moment, but when you add them all up, they are constantly pulling your focus away from what truly matters, growing your business.
Okay, but what if you could just completely flip the script on all that? What if instead of running around putting out fires all day, you could actually prevent them from ever starting? Well, that's the whole game right there. That's the big move from being reactive to being proactive.
And this is how you do it. The concept is called integrated facility management. Now, a couple of words here really jump out: strategic approach, single partner, and optimize operations. This is so much more than just hiring a cleaning crew. It's about bringing on a genuine partner and expert who manages every single piece of your facility so you can get back to focusing on your actual business.
So what does that actually look like day to day? What are the services that are really included when we talk about this all-in-one partner? Let's break it down into the two main pillars of what they do.
So pillar number 1 is all about appearances, what your clients, and just as importantly, your employees, see and feel the second they walk through the door. A clean, professional space doesn't just look good. It sends a powerful message about your brand and creates a healthier, more productive environment for everyone. And believe me, this goes way beyond a simple mop and bucket. We're talking about janitorial services that are totally customized to your business's hours and foot traffic. We're talking expert floor care to protect your investment and keep the place looking sharp. And a really big one these days, eco-friendly cleaning programs that keep your space healthy without all the harsh chemicals. It's the whole shebang.
But look, a space that just looks good is only half the battle. Pillar number 2 is all about what's happening behind the scenes. This is the stuff that keeps your building functional and, most importantly, safe. And honestly, this is where things get really, really critical.
So think of it like this. You've got two sides of the same coin, and an integrated partner manages both. On one side, you have routine maintenance. That's the proactive stuff, the planned upkeep that stops things from breaking in the first place. But on the other side, you need that swift, immediate response for when the unexpected inevitably happens. Having both handled by the same team, well, that's the secret to keeping disruptions to an absolute minimum.
Of course, none of this works if it's just some cookie-cutter package. Every single business is different. The real value comes from a partner who isn't just comprehensive in what they do, but is also flexible and, this is the big one, completely reliable.
I mean, you don't have to take my word for it. This quote from a client, Ethan Caldwell, really says it all. Listen to the words he uses: professionalism and reliability. It's not just about what gets done. It's about the deep trust that it's going to be done right every single time. You can't put a price on that. Which naturally leads to one of the most practical questions any business owner is going to ask, right? You can't have vacuums running during a client pitch or have maintenance happening during your peak hours. So the question is, can this plan actually work with my business, not against it?
And the answer is a huge, resounding yes. In fact, the entire model is built on that idea. A great facility partner works with you to build a plan that supports your operations instead of just getting in the way.
But okay, here's the other question that keeps business owners up at night. What happens when a pipe bursts at 2 in the morning on a Saturday? Your building doesn't stop being your problem just because it's after 5 o'clock.
And this right here is where that real peace of mind kicks in. A core, non-negotiable feature of this model is 24/7 availability. Just knowing you have one number to call with an expert team ready to handle any crisis at any time of day or night, that is a massive weight off your shoulders.
Let's look at another client's take on this. Lucas Bennett nails it here. Look at those two words he uses: efficiency and appearance.
That's what you get when you combine that custom-tailored service with a super reliable, quick response. You get a building that doesn't just look better, it actually runs better.
So let's zoom out for a second. We've talked about the specific services, we've talked about why reliability is so key, but what's the ultimate benefit here? What's the real bottom-line strategic impact on your business?
Well, it really boils down to this. You're not just buying cleaning services. You're investing in optimized performance for your whole company. You're not just paying for repairs. You're ensuring the safety of your team and extending the life of your building. But maybe most importantly, you're buying peace of mind. And that frees you and your team up to focus on what you actually do best.
And that's the real takeaway here. It is a fundamental shift in how you think. You stop looking at your building as this necessary evil, this cost center where you only spend money when things go wrong. Instead, you start seeing it as a strategic asset, an investment that is actively driving your business forward. So I'll just leave you with this final thought to chew on. What could your team truly accomplish if all those little facility headaches, all those distractions just vanished? If you weren't constantly being pulled away by the building itself, what new heights could your business actually reach?